Hi, I'm Eric Hawkins, and this is Park Tool, our world headquarters in St. Paul, Minnesota. We're going to go on a factory tour, so come on inside. Our story starts in a bike shop on the east side of St. Paul. My father, Howard, and his partner were Schwinn dealers, and they were in an area of St. Paul called Hazel Park. And that's significant because Hazel Park became Park Schwinn and Park Tool. They started with this, working on bikes in their own shop, and then this was our first product in the mid-60s, and that's how it all started. And that small bike shop on the east side of St. Paul, Hazel Park Radio and Bicycle, is not too far from here. This is our fourth location. We've been here since 2013, and this houses everything. This is our office. In our office, we have our creative team, our customer service team that does warranty and answers technical questions, has in-depth knowledge of parts, and it has our sales and support team. This is our engineering department. Here we have 2 mechanical engineers, plus a QC person, plus a project manager. And here we design every product that we make. It starts out with a drawing, then a 3D drawing, and then we go to prototype. And prototypes could be any form that we need it to be. It could be 3D printed. It could be a working prototype where we actually have to make things out of steel. But the idea is to get our hands on them and make sure they work and make sure they're doing what we ask them to do. The other thing they do here is work on fixtures and gauges and all sorts of other things that we need for the manufacturing process. So that all starts in the engineering department as well. And this is our shop, and it's a working shop and it gets used a lot. We test prototypes here, we test new tools, we test other people's tools. We work on bikes to get a feel for the new technology that's out there. It also houses our museum, and it's a place for our staff to work on their own bikes or anybody's bike. And no bike shop would be complete without bike parts. We have thousands of parts here. We get parts from the manufacturer. Anytime there's a new bottom bracket or headset or brake system, we need the parts to actually work on in our shop, to test the tools, to create the tools. Here we have everything from derailleurs and brake levers and chains, bottom bracket parts, headset parts, enough to make any bike part hoarder proud. And now we're in the factory. Our total building space is about 105,000 square feet, and that includes everything from warehousing, shipping, packaging, machining, welding. Behind me is assembly, so we get our hands on most of our products in this area. On any given day, we build repair stands, truing stands, and 100 other things in this area. This station is always set up to do TS 2.3 wheel truing stands. One guy to build, one guy to calibrate. This is our machining department. We have 4 CNC lathes, 2 CNC mills, presses, laser engraving, all sorts of other machines. And mostly in this department, we take raw material and make it into product, into finished tools. Bottom bracket tools, free wheel removers, clamp parts, pretty wide variety of machined steel and aluminum parts. And this is our welding department. In this department, we do a combination of robotic and hand welding to make repair stand parts, truing stand parts, crank pullers, derailleur alignment gauges, a big variety of things that we get our hands on in this department. This is our packaging department, at least part of it. This is where we get our hands on the product before it goes out the door. We do a final QC check here. We put things on cards and blisters, bags, boxes. We build toolkits here. And this is the final spot before a product leaves the building. This is our shipping department. From here, we ship to over 70 countries. Mostly we ship on pallets and fill trailers and containers, but we also ship small packages like warranty and small parts. The shipping department is also where we keep some of the 4,000 replacement parts that we have for pretty much everything that we make, and some of them going back for products we made 50 years ago.
And action. There.
So this is our video studio, and the video studio is connected to the photo studio. Photo studio, we do things like take photographs for our website and packaging and whatever else we need it for. The video studio, of course, is where we shoot our videos. Repair help, products, product directions, Tech Tuesday, some storytelling. The video studio is also where we keep Calvin.
I stay right up here all the time.
Yeah. So how many videos do you think that we've done in your 20-some years at Park Tool?
A lot.
Yeah, we're going with a lot. It's hundreds. So you can check out our videos on our YouTube channel, and now you've seen it. So there you have it. The Park Tool factory, warehouse, offices, photo studio. This is where we make over 500 tools to make your bike better. Thank you for being blue.